In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to share a song from Apple Music. So first things first, here we are in Apple Music. As you can see, I have an album pulled up with a specific song. What you want to do is there will be three dots right there to the right of the song if you're looking at it in a playlist. But if you are actually playing the song, like what I'm doing here, you can share it from here as well. You can hit the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then you'll see the share button there that is a square and an arrow. So tap share, and then when you do so, you can choose to either share via AirDrop, email, messages, or a number of apps. The easiest way is doing it via text message. You just tap on the person you want to send it to in your favorites there, or go to messages right here, and then just type in the person you want to send it to, and then just tap send right there like you normally would. And then in the Apple Messages app, you will see where that song, as I've sent here earlier, if I tap and hold, that person can reply to it like a normal message. They can play it, they can open it in their Apple Music on their device, and then save it to a playlist if they'd like. So in order to share on Apple Music, it is as simple as finding the song you want, tapping those three dots next to the song or within the playing song itself, and then tap share. Go ahead and tap messages, type in the person you want to send it to, and then you are good to go. If you have any questions, put those down below. I'll have an FAQ and a pinned comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.